Okay. This area right here is the epidermis, correct?
Yes.
Is it a type of epithelia, connective, muscle, or nervous? Epithelia. It's only made of cells and it's found on the surface. Whenever I ask you what type of tissue it is, you should always think to yourself those four: epithelia, connective, muscle, and nervous. Does everybody get that? So it's on the surface, only made of cells, so we call it the epithelia. Good, it's made of epithelia. Now, when we talked about epithelia, is epithelia vascular or avascular? Avascular. Remember the example of the pin through the finger, the top of the finger? If you went too deep, you went into the dermis, right? So, is the epidermis vascular or avascular? Avascular. What about the dermis? Vascular. What about the hypodermis?
Vascular.
What about the subcutaneous?
Vascular.
Everybody see the way I could word the questions, okay? Now, in the skin, we have thick and thin skin, okay? Thick skin is found in the palms of the hands and soles of the feet. So it's found in the palms of the hands and soles of the feet, okay? Which makes sense, just in terms of traveling, walking, move, you know, what we touch and whatnot. That has 5 layers, okay? So thick skin has 5 layers, okay? So thick has how many letters? T-H-I-C-K.
5 layers.
5 numbers?
5 layers.
Thin, T-H-I-N, how many layers? 4. How many letters? 4. So everybody see that? Okay, so that's an easy way to remember it, okay? So, very first semester I was teaching here, somebody asked me, a student raised their hand and said to me, Professor Costa, what type of skin is found on the eyelids? Answer is what? Thin skin. Is it thick or thin skin? Answer is what? Thin. What about your forehead? Thin. What about back of your neck?
Thin.
Good. Then the student asked me, what about the butt? Thin. I don't know why that would be any different. Okay? So I thought it was interesting. The only place that has thick skin are where? Palms of the hands and soles of the feet. Okay? That's that.